Also, back to the Vesica Pisces, this is where we also get our perfect tetrahedron, or our perfect equilateral triangle. Once you get your 153 and your 265 and you have this perfect shape, if you start here and you connect the dots here, you get a perfect equilateral triangle. And this particular degree, when doing this, the angle of this degree is 26 point something, 26 degrees basically. And these are actually the exact angles of the pyramids in Giza. They built that pyramid, or that tetrahedron, perfectly, including the 26 degrees. They also included, well, man, they included a whole lot of stuff, but one thing they included is that number 153 in the building of the pyramids. Another significant thing about 153 is that, and I'm not sure about this, but I was told at one point that it's the only number that when you cube the sums, it will equal itself. I was also read somewhere that there are other numbers that do this, so I don't know for sure, but I know it's very, very, very rare. And what it means to cube the numbers and equal themselves is very, very, very rare. And what it means to cube the numbers and equal themselves is if you cube 1 and cube 5 and cube 3, well, 1 cubed is 1. You add that to 5 cubed, which is 125, and you add that to 3 cubed, which is 27. You add all this up and you'll equal 153, which is amazing. 153 cubed, its sums, actually equals 153. Very, very, very rare. And this is why this number also has a biblical reference. It's why this number is built into the pyramids in Egypt. It's also the sum of all integers starting with 1. So if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and continue up to 17, you will get 153. And I believe there is a significance here with 17 too. I think it's the last prime number in which you can do this with and get 153. But in the pyramid in Egypt, on the 17th course, or level, they call them courses, but when you go up to the entrance to the Great Pyramid, it's actually on the 17th course. So you're at 17 courses. It just so happens that in that course, that chamber, I believe it's the Queen's Chamber, I'm not positive on that, is 153 feet in length. So that's pretty significant. They built that into that. Just a side note there. And then back to the perfect equilateral triangle. This is actually where we get our very first letter in the alphabet, the Greek alphabet and also the English alphabet. And if you continue this on completely till it reaches the other side, and it's an equal number and it has a lot of strength and balance, this is actually where we get the alpha, or A, in the English dictionary. And alpha always refers to the beginning. A is at the beginning. The alpha is at the beginning. The omega is at the end. So this is where we get our sacred letter A, and it actually goes back to and refers to the beginning. This is the beginning of the birthing process of the universe.